Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning everyone. It's Saturday and it is Nav's online exam today. It's the first ever for her and I am very excited. It's a new norm, so it's going to happen over Zoom. I'm going to vlog that. Hope you will like the vlog. She is setting her desk up. After this you will see what all she keeps for exams on her desk. So continue enjoying, subscribe and like if you haven't. Thank you so much. This is how she set up her desk. So laptop just in front. There's this test copy, one notebook for all subjects, pencil, eraser, scale and her pencil box. So this is how she set up her desk in the morning. She's all ready to give her half-yearly exam on Zoom application. This was the timetable. So 8:55 in the morning was login time, 9 to 9:15 was settling down time, 9:15 to 9:25 was reading time, the question paper reading time. All children will read the question paper first. Then 9:25 to 10:10 was the writing time. They will attempt the question paper. And then after that 20 minutes were given to parents to upload the answer sheet onto the school portal for checking.
So number one is, this is your correct posture and you have to sit like this only. Your notebook and your face should be visible and you should be sitting attentively on a table and a chair. Children, those who are sitting on the bed, please change your seat. You will not give your exam while sitting on your bed. Next is, this is your position. Both things should be visible. These are the postures. Who is sitting on the bed? I don't want to see anybody sitting on the bed. You have to use a table and a chair to sit. Attendance, Advan is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Arif? Arif?
Present, ma'am.
Abhibata?
Present, ma'am.
Manraj? Navneet?
Present, ma'am.
Here? Nutri? What you have to do and what you don't have to do. Video and mic should be on throughout the exam. Camera should be adjusted. Camera should be adjusted. Only once. So after reading the paper, you will be doing your paper on your own. In between, nobody is going to ask me any question. Right? If you have any doubt, any query, you will be asking only between the reading time. But after that, you will not be asking me any question, or you will not. If you have any query, you will just show me a gesture that you want to ask something. Either I will answer or sir will answer. Is it clear, children?
Oh, ma'am. No, ma'am. It is not, ma'am. No, ma'am.
I will again share.
Yes, ma'am. It is clear.
Okay. So your first question is, children, you need.
So the test started. Ma'am read all the questions for the students so that they can understand it. One by one she read all the questions and then time was given to students to read it, understand it thoroughly so that they can write the answers later. I really liked this concept wherein the time was divided and accordingly the test schedule was followed. It was well managed test. There was no problem with the process whatsoever. Initially we were apprehensive, but I think that is normal. When you're trying something for the first time, you are always apprehensive. So this is where she is reading the question paper thoroughly, and in some time she will start attempting the question paper and start writing the answers. This was her math exam. So you can see that she is really trying hard. But the good thing is that she did not get bothered by my camera work. She was focused on her question paper, and she was not getting bothered by my presence or whatever I was doing there. I was completely silent and focused on my work, and Nav was focused on her test, her work. She is good in her math calculations, but she was getting stuck in subtraction when I was practicing with her. The good part is that although I was present there, she did not ask for any help whatsoever. So I was quite happy seeing her, operating independently. That was quite nice feeling. Here she's doing the calculations on fingers. I have to figure out ways to teach her quick calculations. I am working on that. So slowly and steadily she completed all her questions, and here she's done with her question paper.
Reminding you that the worksheets will get uploaded only between 10:10 to 10:30. After 10:30 the window will get closed. All the very best for your objective exam. It is between 10:50 to 11:10. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
ये टेस्ट शुरू हो जाता है पेरेंट्स का. Quickly I took my phone and I took the photograph of the answer sheet. Server gets very slow because all the parents try to upload the answer sheet at the same time. It's only 20 minutes. So I was trying to do it as quickly as possible. After taking the picture, I opened the portal, the school portal, and tried uploading the photograph. Here you can see that I'm trying to attach the answer sheet, the photo of it. And after submitting, it took about 3 to 4 minutes to upload the photograph, and then it was done. I really want to thank the teachers, the school management who have done a fabulous job in conducting these Zoom exams excellently and so smoothly. Hats off to all of you. Yes, we parents also do our little bit, but hats off to all the teachers and school management. So this was Nidu's Zoom exam experience, and that's how it went. I hope that you must have enjoyed the video. If yes, please subscribe. If no, then also subscribe and kindly like the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.